Hi y'all, just doing a real quick video. I'm making steel cut oats for breakfast and I bought a whole 50 pounds worth of steel cut oats. So what I did is I've already split the steel cut oats into 2 1/4 cups of 2 1/4 cups worth of steel cut oats. And then for my recipe here, the point of this is it doesn't matter what you put inside of your steel cut oats. The point is make it so that you can do it quickly. So here I have a train. This, what you see in front of you, are actually 12 bags worth of the dry ingredients. So I just did a tray. I lined 6 bags up this way, and then I lined 6 bags up that way. So a total of 12. And then I put in 1/2 cup of sugar, and I put them in all 6 bags. And then I put 1/2 teaspoon in each bag, and I put 2 teaspoons of cinnamon in each bag. So that's what this is. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1/2 cup of sugar. Now, if this is not what you use, it's totally fine. Remember, these are always just ideas. The whole point is just that when I decide to make it, all I do is grab the I just grab the water stuff. So I do 6 cups of water, 2 cups of milk, and I put the 6 cup inside of the pot. And then I put 2 cups of milk inside of my Vitamix, or you can put it inside of a bowl. And in the 2 cups of milk, I add 1 packet of these. And I mix it together. And then I also add in 1 tablespoon of molasses. And I mix it in. And then after I mix it in, I just pour the 2 cups of milk into the 6 cups of water. And then I bring it to a boil. And then, and then also before I bring it to a boil, I also put in 1 stick of butter. So after I put in 1 stick of butter, it melts or whatever. And then I'll show you a video on this too, but I'm just giving you a quick rundown of what it is. But basically the point of this video is just to show that if you are going to be making this a lot, do a train of it in the sense of to save yourself time. So since these are 12 bags, now for my family, I'll cook this, and in the morning they'll get what they want, and then I always have leftovers where we can eat it again. So basically it makes so we can eat it 2 times a week, because I let us eat it out of the pot because it's overnight steel cut oats, and then afterwards I bag it on up and we can eat it again for the week. So for me, these are 12 bags, so this is basically 12 weeks worth of food. So this will last me for 3 months because I'll have to cook it once and then I can eat it 2 times throughout the week. So anyway, it's just to save time. It's really, really nice. And then I'll do a video showing you how I make it, so you have to look out for that. But whatever it is that you use to make your steel cut oats or for your regular oatmeals, make bags of it. So just like at the store, you can grab the packets and just put it in and quickly make it yourself. So anyway, just a real quick video. So again, inside of here, all I have is, what is it? Okay, the 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1/2 cup of sugar. And then individually, I have my 2 1/4 cups of oats inside of a bag. So there we go. So all I have to do is quickly make it, and I have a quick packet like you can get at the store. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Take care, and definitely God bless. Here's my steel cut oats here. See, I have it in a bucket. I have 10 of them in here. And then I have in my other bucket, I have another 2 in here, but I have it labeled. See, my steel cut oats. So here's the packets here. Sorry, I figured I'd let you see it. So it's bagged up. So all I have to do when I'm making it is, it's easy. I just grab a packet like this, and I'm ready to go. And I just have the instructions. I leave it right in the bucket so I know that's what's in the dry ingredients, and this is what I need to add. 6 cups of water, 2 cups of milk, a stick of butter, vanilla, and molasses. You know, the vanilla you add last. So anyway, or however it is you make it. But the whole point is just to make a packet. The ingredients, you don't have to use it this way. If you want to do just half the recipe and just do 1 cup, that's fine as well. The whole point is just to save yourself time. So I figure I'd let you see my the steel cut oats, how they're bagged up as well. So thank you so much for watching. Take care and God bless.